guys, we are back with another video, and yes, we pretty much do that. Vin is not going to talk, as always, okay? So, we're back with another video. If you guys check the video in the, check the video in the description, then that means you just saved Vin. I'm just kidding. But if you guys go check this channel, so if you guys leave a like on that video, go check out Vin's channel. Again, I'm gonna put it in the description. We're gonna be okay, guys. We are gonna. Sorry, guys. I guess we're gonna be right back. Jimmy's talking to somebody. Sounds really loud. I don't know why Jimmy's talking to his mom right now, but okay. So we'll be right back, and we're gonna. When we're back, we're probably gonna make the base of our ship. Ship. Or boat. Hey guys, we're back and we got our ships done. Sorry, we're gonna show you guys that we were making our ships, but I have to do mine the second times. And Vin, please, pretty please. Okay, Vin and me are ready. Jimmy isn't because he had to go home. We're gonna make a second part in the video of him and us we're gonna make our ships. And then we're gonna skip some parts. So let's do this. Okay, let's do this. Okay, this is awesome. Okay. Huh?
What's Jimmy? There's something wrong with. What's his name?
Who? Ben?
Jackie. There's something wrong with Jackie.
Oh my gosh. Vin, you can't even remember a kid's name.
He's crying.
Why is he crying? Jackie, why are you crying?
Because you told him to be quiet.
Yeah, but be quiet, please. I didn't do this. Be quiet.
How do you say sorry to this? Why does he cry so much? He's so easily to cry. And she's...
No, he's sensitive.
Yeah, he's really sensitive.
Yes, he has thrusters.
Okay.
Vin has thrusters. Oh my gosh. Vin is winning the competition right now. So what the competition is, we're gonna race our boats and see who can survive till the end. If somebody survives to the end in second place, they get a reward somehow. I don't know what. We don't know. We didn't decide yet. So Ben is pretty much winning half of the race. If we get to the treasure, that's when we actually win the race. He could be winning the race right now. So far, none of my blocks have been broken. I have a flag to add some flair to it, and some of these add some coolness. And I got some seats because I might save this boat. Probably not, because this is just the competition challenge, a challenge video. Okay, those are some huge rocks. Oh my gosh, guys, I lost 2 blocks already. Okay, I can still see Ben. He's not so far up ahead. If I can get up there somehow. I have 5 seats, 6 counting the seat I'm sitting on right now. Okay.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Okay, we lost 3 blocks so far, guys. Let's see if we can make it. Oh, Candyland. Okay. Okay, Candyland. Those are not the obstacles. These are. Oh, wow. My ship is so small. Oh, my gosh. None of the things that Ben has is... I think Ben's stuck.
Ready, set, go.
Oh, okay. Blocks fell off my boat. Okay.
Okay, hold on. Lean forward.
Oh gosh. Okay. Got nothing hurt so far. I think we're gonna move on to the cannon soon. While they're doing their thing over there, I don't know what they're doing over there. You guys can't see it either. I was just gonna drink some water. What are you guys doing? They just fell a second time. How many times have they fell on this thing? Okay. Those are I haven't got hurt in like after those 3 blocks that I lost. Oh my god. Bye, flag. My flag fell off. I think that's what he meant. He misspelled something. Mistyped something. Oh, okay. I think we're gonna hit something. We're gonna hit something. No, we're slimming this thing, like, for real.
Jackie, can you give me that, Jackie?
Oh, okay. Hit something. We hit something. Landmines. Why? Does it have to be landmines? Okay, guys, we're lagging a little bit. Don't know why. Think you guys can see it too. Oh shoot. Oh, okay. Wood is weak. My friends have proven that now. Okay, we're probably got. There's another piece. Oh, okay. Oh. I'm gonna win this competition. Okay, we're gonna have another round. But with Jimmy. So, Ben, that was just the first round. Just to tell you that. Hello, Jackie. Oh, no. Get back on my... Oh, yes. Okay, we are surviving. Guys, we are surviving. Okay. Oh my gosh. Gonna get back in my seat. Jackie, muốn coi phải không? Muốn coi vậy? Okay. Rồi, ngồi ở đây. Okay, guys. There's a kid watching me play this game.
Yeah.
Say hello, Jackie.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hai đứa nó về rồi là con phải về rồi chứ mà còn tùm lum nào lại quánh.
Hello.
Okay.
Còn lên này tắm nè.
Dạ, cảm ơn bố.
Đặng chút đồ cho ta giặt đó.
Dạ. Okay.
Tùm lum đồ đạc hết trơn.
Okay, guys. There are UFOs now. What is going on? These landmines? Oh, they... Oh, shoot. Not good. Okay. Okay, guys.
Hold on.
You can see the health bar here. If we can make it, we have to make this.
How do you make? The wheel destroyer, Daddy.
Oh. Whoa.
The destroyer, Daddy.
Uh-huh.
Look, hold the ship.
Oh, no. Ooh, okay. I think we're stuck. I think we're lagging a bit. What if there were seats on the bottom? That'd just be cool.
How we get the height in the Daddy?
Uh-huh. I think we're stuck. Are we? I think we're stuck.
Can you come here? No, I will look Jane.
Okay.
Jummy.
Danny. My name's Danny. Danny. Oh my gosh. Are we gonna stay here forever?
A wheel, Daddy.
I'm gonna jump out. Oh, okay. No! I was right at the waterfall, guys.
Come on. What is that?
Guys, that was just the first round. We're gonna make another. The last one is gonna be where with Jimmy.
How is the wheel, Daddy?
Uh-huh.
Hold on to me.
Okay.
The back.
Now, Ben, this second competition, this second round is, here's the rule.
Jimmy.
What?
I want this guy to turn back to a girl.
He's not a girl, he's a boy.
A boy?
Yeah.
Haha, he thinks Ben's name is girl.
Okay. But, Ben, let's make our boat. So, there's only one condition. If one person dies in the second round, it's all over for both of us. So then Jimmy would probably be in the lead if he wins the third round. But if he loses, then we all get nothing. So, Okay, let's start with this. Let's start with this boat. Let's make our
Chucky,
boat
you want to be in the dragon?
like the hard things on the bottom first, and then the top things will be wood. So let me start with these blocks, and they're gonna be like 4 sizes, 4 blocks at a time. Okay, no, dude, we're gonna make a boat together. That's the thing. Okay, so we're gonna when we make the boat together, if one of us dies, it's all over for us. Like we lose, we both lose if one of us dies when we're building this ship together.
Yeah, dragon.
So cool dragon.
Come on.
What thing?
You want to make a part of the dragon?
Okay, we're starting with the pointy shape there.
So big.
Dragon.
Okay.
Who wants to be with me?
Me.
Come on.
Get the game.
No, you.
Okay.
Sure, darling.
Huh?
Sure. Oh, this the flag.
Those are
Come on.
teams.
Jackie, you want to get in?
So it's like we're teams, and Jimmy. Yes. So
Let Jackie go in.
we make this boat together, and then when Jimmy is with us for the 3rd round, if we die during this round, one of us, then we both lose, pretty much. So we have to make this boat secure. So I would like for you to place a block right there, and so we're at the 3rd round. We're gonna be teams. We're gonna see if somebody else can join us, and that person who is gonna be joining with us, new, is gonna be on teams with Jimmy. So if we lose this 2nd round, then if we lose, then it's all over. But the 3rd round is where we can make a comeback. Even though we died in the 2nd round, we can, if we win the 3rd round, then that means we pretty much win. So it doesn't matter if we die in this 2nd round, but this is how we're gonna make a comeback if we die.
Okay.
When we're making this boat. And 2nd level will be this block. But it's gonna be like one side off from like that. It's gonna be like a little bigger.
Hey, Jackie, please.
Okay. Dude, you might want to destroy the blocks over here, so then you can, yeah. Okay. Like that. Like that. Hey, dude, you probably messed up a block right in this little aisle here. So you have to delete, you probably have to delete one block to fix this whole thing, because there's like probably one block inside of each other. Here we go. Make it the whole, yeah. Okay. So now just start placing your blocks in like equally, like.
We want to sleep here tonight.
Huh?
Bye.
Di ba yan? Me, give me that. Okay. Okay. Those are my blocks right there. Yeah, so make it, make it evenly. That's what I meant to say. Okay. Okay. What?
Let's play with slime. Is this your favorite?
There.
Elsa? You want to have it? You want it? Jackie, you
Okay.
want to see? Yeah, I will see.
So if you have enough more of those blocks, but if it's not even, then just delete it. We're gonna save those blocks for something else if we don't have any more blocks. No, it's okay. It's not uneven. It's just, oh, okay. Never mind. Sorry about that. Okay. Now, oh, I see what you're doing. Okay. Bro, what you doing there? What you doing there, dude? It's fine. Okay. Okay.
Close eyes. Close her eyes for me, Jackie. Close her eyes for me. No, her. Buggy.
Okay. Right, one right there. One right there. Now, I'd like to use marble because it looks good. Looks good. So, I think I'm gonna put 3 right here. Like that. 3 right here.
No.
Like that.
What do you think is in here?
And then,
Okay, what do you think is in here? Dinosaur? No.
oh, yes. Oh, this boat is gonna be epic, guys. Okay. Oh, shoot. Okay.
No.
Okay.
We have a custom
Okay.
and it says my name on it. It's custom made. It says summer.
Okay, that's what I want. I'm gonna place that on top of each other.
Okay.
And then make little... I can't do that. That's weird. Okay. Then we're gonna save... Oh, we should do... Yes, that is... Yes. Yeah, we should do that. Boop. 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 Okay. Just like that.
Jackie, done. Okay.
Okay.
We
Oh,
have
whoops.
this. We have this shiny. Shiny? And you wait for it.
My gosh, V. Ooh, I can smell it from here. Oh my gosh.
And then we have.
Okay.
Jackie. Okay, oh wait, huh?
That just sounds rude now, V.
Because it smells like his. Don't you dare! Oh, he stinks. Ew.
There we go.
Don't touch my pussy.
Wabam, 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 wham, wham, wham.
And you can either this subtle
Bam, bam, bam. Okay, dude, we might have to add an ending part to this, so then we can start building the walls a little bit more.
And they do have
Boop, boop, boop.
Stop it.
Okay, it's a little uneven, but it's fine. Boop, boop.
Hey.
There. Guys, I am so concentrated on this right now.
Okay. Don't touch the custom made.
Boom.
And this one has
There we go.
a
Now,
blue cast on it because it fell on the ride last, and I just colored it because I like the color blue. No, and you could either put green.
add that. Okay. Yeah, yes. Okay. Now we're gonna add a ladder here. I don't know why. I like ladders now. Wait, when is their mom coming? It's like 7:55 already. Oh my gosh, I feel bad for them right now.
Mom and Dad comes over later.
Yeah, but it's our house. We don't have to worry about anything. Bum, 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 bum. Oop.
You can actually like put it on.
Okay. Okay. And then
It'll eat you.
oh, did I misplace that? I think yeah, I did.
Okay.
Okay. There. And bum, 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 bum. Boop.
Which one do you want?
Okay. There we go.
Cutter.
Adding thrusters, guys.
Which one do you want?
These are called thrusters.
This one? I want it.
Okay. Wait, we're gonna delete one at the top.
Either way, you get none.
Oh my gosh, V, that's just rude.
You said that's not rude unless you're older than them.
You are older than them.
No, you said that it's not rude to say it to a child.
Well, yeah, it's not.
Stop.
But sometimes.
Ew, Jackie, you stink. Get away.
What the fudge, V? That's just mean.
He stinks, though. I don't want him getting wet. Don't touch it, Jackie.
Oh my gosh. How rude.
You know
How mean are you to them?
like he was like this. He was kind of eating it because he thought he was cute. He has it. Oh, Jackie, if she's not catching up, you can't touch it.
I misplaced that block. Okay.
I want to wash it.
Where's that block I'm looking for? There we go. Oh my gosh, bro. I think we're close to being done to make this ship so awesome and so secure. Okay. Bum 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 bum. Ben, you're on the top of there. Like the thing I'm jumping below of. Like right up here is what I'm talking about. Right here. Yes. Okay. 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 Wait. I have an idea. Wait. Oh my God. Passenger seats. Passenger seats. Yeah. I think that's all you can do because that's the way it looks like when you can't press R to rotate it.
I want to make a wireless neon.
Dum 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 dum. That's cool. That's just cool. That is cool. That is cool.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Okay, that is cool. That is cool. That is cool. Okay. Oh my gosh, bro. What'd you do? Oh no. Okay, guys, we're almost ready for this. Guys, tomorrow is gonna be the third round. These are the 2 rounds we're gonna do today. Tomorrow is gonna be it. So yeah, after. Oh, that is cool. Tables. Okay, ready, dude? Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? I think you're ready for this, dude. Yes, let's do this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
What's the game here, Daddy?
Okay. Okay, we're going good so far. We didn't glitch in the ground like the last time this morning. If you guys don't know what happened this morning, me and Ben were just playing, and the boat that we made with my friend kind of glitched through the ground. And Jackie, you don't need to watch. You can go over there.
He wants to watch.
Okay, V, why are you making me suffer of this smell? Okay, if you guys don't know what's going on, my friend, him right here, Jackie lunch on you. So Jackie told you. Jackie, Denny, damn lunch on. It's okay, Jackie. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Come on, Jackie. Let's go.
Like, you're telling him to go upstairs. Wait, Jackie. No, wait, no. I want this.
He did it, Daddy. Did it?
Oh! Go upstairs. Go upstairs. No, Samuel. It's okay.
Okay, guys, I am back. Wait, what? Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, the thrusters are going the wrong way. Why are they going? Okay. Gotta turn around forward because they just keep pushing us. They keep pushing us. Oh my gosh, that's a tornado. Oh my gosh, dude, we're dodging all the tornadoes right now. Oh my gosh, I'm surprised that we haven't died yet. Dude, we can do it. We can do it. Oh my gosh, dude, we're losing. We're losing some blocks. Dude, we're losing some blocks. Oh my gosh. Not good. Oh, not good. Not good, bro. Not good. Not good. Okay. We're going to lose the flag soon. Oh, shoot. We have nothing connecting to the flag. It might fall off soon. Oh, shoot. Okay, not good. Come on. We can make it. I believe. I believe. And the thrusters are gone. Yay. Oh, my. Oh, no. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, at least we're going forward again. We're going forward. Okay, not good. What do you do in a situation where you're on a boat and avalanches are falling on you? This is intense. Okay, let's see if we can make it, guys. If we can't make round 2, we gotta make a comeback in the third round, in the last round. Oh shoot. Okay, we lost 1 block in the front. Close to me. Okay, I'm real. Oh my. Okay. No, dude, I'm dying. No, dude, we gotta end the video and make a comeback tomorrow. Tomorrow's. Oh my god. Oh shoot. So, guys, we are ending the video. We gotta make a comeback tomorrow. Then, let's say bye. Ben, you can say bye first, cause since you kind of. I don't know, but I fell off. So, guys, Ben says hi to you guys. Bye to you guys. Guys, I hope you liked the video. Smash that subscribe button. Press that notification button so then we can get so you guys can get new updated videos of ours like this one. And if you guys saw the trailer of my info vid on my channel, check that out. And I have a guys, there's a baby role play. There's a baby role play that we started that we're gonna record every Wednesday if we can. But guys, I hope you like this video. Watch tomorrow's episode of, well, not episode, video. We're gonna do the last round, and it's gonna be intense. We're gonna have to make a comeback. Bye, guys.